You search for how to buy shares of ProCap Acquisition Corp. ProCap Acquisition Corp is listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker PCAP and operates as a special purpose acquisition company. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PCAP to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches ProCap Acquisition Corp on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for PCAP. Confirm the company name, ticker, and exchange to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to execute when it reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completion. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to eToro and more details, check the description below.